You've got the furniture, hung the art, even tested the toaster. But are you actually ready to hit go live? This episode, I'll walk you through a 15-point pre-launch checklist to make sure you're not launching blind. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. There's nothing quite like that electric mix of nerves and excitement when you're gearing up to welcoming your very first guest. You've poured your heart into this rental, painted, scrubbed, furnished, and fussed. Now comes the moment of truth. Before you hang that open for business sign, let's make sure you're not about to overlook something that could trip you up before your grand debut. This episode walks you through a 15-point pre-launch checklist that helps you avoid those oh-so-common rookie mistakes. Whether you're still setting up the Wi-Fi or wondering if that welcome basket is too much. Spoiler, it's not. This episode has your back. So take a deep breath, and let's talk about getting guest ready with precision, personality, and a pinch of panache. 1. Double-check your booking calendar. Start here. Make sure your calendar syncs properly across all platforms, Airbnb, Vrbo, and your direct booking site. Double bookings make for double trouble. It's not a good look when two families show up at once and only one bed is made. 2. Confirm licenses and insurance. Don't let paperwork be your Achilles heel. Secure any required short-term rental licenses and upgrade from homeowners insurance to proper short-term rental policy. This isn't just red tape, it's peace of mind. 3. Perform a full test stay. Spend a night in your own rental. Use the shower, cook a meal, sleep in the bed. You'll spot missing essentials faster than any checklist can. Bonus points if you spot that squeaky door or discover Wi-Fi drops in the kitchen. Install smart tech. Smart locks, thermostats, and security cameras, external only, help you manage your property even when you're not around. They also make your place feel high-end without breaking the bank. Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today. 5. Prep a stellar welcome book. Your welcome book should cover house rules, Wi-Fi info, how to use that fancy espresso machine, and local recommendations. Think of it as your digital twin, there when you can't be. 6. Create a cleaning and turnover plan. Don't wait for the first guest to discover late-night crumbs. Hire a reliable cleaner or create a foolproof checklist for DIY jobs. Consistency earns stars. 7. Set up guest communication automations. Automated messages are your friend. Schedule messages for booking confirmation, check-in instructors, a gentle review reminder. Keep your tone warm and helpful, like you're texting a mate, not sending a court summons. 8. Review all photos and listings. Go through your listings with fresh eyes. Are your photos bright and inviting? Is your description accurate and appealing? No one books a bed described as functional and beige. 9. Stock essentials and some delights. Guests expect basics: toilet paper, shampoo, dish soap, but wow them with a few surprises. Think snacks, coffee, or a note scribbled with personality. A small gesture can mean big reviews. 10. Set your pricing strategy. Tools like Price Labs or Beyond to avoid rookie pricing mistakes. Too low and you'll get swamped with bookings that don't pay the bills. Too high and you'll hear crickets. 11. Conduct a safety audit. Check smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits. Think like a risk assessor or a mum. Mums notice everything. 12. Finalize your house rules. Lay out your expectations clearly. Noise, pets, smoking, late checkouts. Don't assume anything is common sense. Spell it out nicely. Confirm payment and deposit systems. Make sure your payment process works. Test it. Double check that you can collect deposits and handle cancellations. It's easier to sort these out now than during a 10 p.m. guest meltdown. 14. Build a local emergency contact list. Guests should know who to call if something goes sideways. And if you manage remotely, have someone local ready to step in. No one wants to wait until Monday to unclog a toilet. And 15. Celebrate, but also do a soft launch. When the doors open slowly, maybe offer your first weekend with a slight discount to a friend of a friend or a local blogger. Collect feedback, fix any snags, then ramp it up with confidence. Running a rental isn't just throw pillows and hashtags. The 7-day vacation rental jumpstart download helps you automate, price smart, and host like a pro. Get your copy now. You can find a link in the show notes. Which of these 15 points feels the trickiest for you right now? Let me know in the comments. Here are your 5 key takeaways. Test your setup with a pretend stay. Smart tech keeps things simple. Cleaning checklists equal 5-star reviews. Always check the legal stuff. Personal touches equal big impressions. Launching your first vacation rental isn't just a business move. It's personal. It's about opening your doors to strangers and hoping they leave as fans. This checklist arms you with the basics, but it's your care, offered, and hospitality that turn a good stay into a memorable one. Take these steps, and you're not just ready for your first guest, you're ready for your first glowing review. Do you want to go deeper? These strategies and more are covered in detail in the Mastering Vacation Rentals Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business course. If you're still on the fence, this course walks you through the whole journey with step-by-step guidance. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.